If you all see how cakey or anything that just looked strange in this video, please pardon me. I had to retouch my under eye every now and then whenever I put in and put out. All right, ladies. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, it's going to be in two parts. I'm going to be trying this lens these lenses that are sent to me by a company called Mislens. They're into contact lenses. They have color contact lenses. They have prescription contact lenses, and the ones that I selected are really meant for dark eyes. As you all can tell, I'm a dark skinned girl, so I chose the one that really pop out and really look outstanding for women of color. All right, ladies, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. I'll be leaving the link to Mislens in the description box. Also, discount code, I'll be leaving them in the description box. Right now they are running discounts. They are running sales on their website for the holiday season. It will be the best time for you to jump up onto their website to pick your own, to buy your own. Don't forget, ladies, this video is going to be in two parts. I'm going to feature the lenses real quick, and please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. Which of the color contact lenses it's your favorite choice? Which one do you like? And also how I'll be styling this skirt. It's just one skirt. It's a style that I've never tried before. I've tried styles that are slitted at the side, that are slitted at the front, but this one is way like out of my comfort zone. I'm going to say how I'm going to style it. When I saw it in the store recently, I was like, I am just going to purchase it. I love the style. Why not? And it also is a jean skirt, which will never go out of style because jeans are classic, because they never go out of style. Remember how long you've been wearing jeans? Since I grew up, since I've been little, I've been saying jeans. I've never heard that jeans is out of style. So this one is a skirt, which is different from what I've worn in the past before. That's why I'm so excited. I want to see how many ways I'll be able to style it. I don't know how many ways it's going to turn out, but I believe I should be able to style it in several ways, and you're all going to enjoy this video. Right, I want to use this time to say thank you to Mislens for sponsoring this part of this video today. Right from the box, when I open the package, I see that they included some goodies inside of it. The first thing is the mirror, which we have which has a Mislens logo at the back. You all can see it. We have the mirror, and it came with the package came with earrings as well and necklaces. Why not? Since they came with this, that's why I'm not wearing anything right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop in the earrings and pop in the necklace, and we're gonna continue this video. So ladies, this is the last one which you all have seen when I zoomed in for you ladies, and this is the end of this section of Mislens contact lens. Also, I'm going to be putting the link of Mislens website in the description box. Also, discount code. Don't forget they have sales going on this period.
so crazy it could be. Baby, stop. Take it easy. When you leave, swear I can't breathe. Baby girl, you body, girl, the way you whine, I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. On the low, on the low, on the low, on the low. Blow my mind, blow my mind. Your body just blow my mind, blow my baby. Blow my mind, blow my mind. You just blow my mind. You know belong for pa, unavyoukata. Malkia falipupa, kwako nimedata. Sura changa, ngozi yako kobata. Shepu mdoli siyo zanga, yani so data. I wish you could rewind. Rewind. I wish you could rewind. Embedodo yangu embedodo.
Alright ladies, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please don't forget to check out Mislens for the contact lens that they have prescriptions. They have colored one, and also they have the one for the brown skin girl. Alright ladies, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.